That tiny dark dot on your nose, it's not just a blackhead, it's a traffic jam. A tiny tunnel packed bumper to bumper with oil, dead skin, and everything your pores have been trying to push out for weeks, and it has nowhere left to go. Every pore on your face is a doorway. And right now, hundreds of these doorways are jammed shut. Have you ever wondered why your skin looks dull even after you wash it? This is why. Trapped sebum doesn't just sit quietly, it oxidizes, it hardens, it turns your pores into tiny volcanoes waiting to erupt, and today we're opening every single one of them. By the end of this video, you're going to watch every one of these doorways empty out. You're going to hear it, you're going to feel it, even through the screen. So take a breath, let's begin. Step by step cleansing the preparation first. We cleanse, not because it looks nice on camera, because you cannot extract from skin that's sitting under a layer of oil, sunscreen, and the day's grime. Trying to would just push everything deeper. Watch that foam build. Small, tight bubbles, that's a cleanser that's actually lifting oil, not just sitting on top of it. Slow circles, never scrub. We're not trying to fight the skin, we're asking it to relax. Why circles and not just rubbing back and forth? Because circular motion follows your lymphatic pathways. It's not just cleansing, it's gently waking up the tissue underneath. Now, the steam. This is the step everyone skips, and it's the step that makes everything after this 3 times easier. Warmth softens the walls of the pore. It's the difference between trying to open a stuck jar cold versus running the lid under hot water first. The extraction is going to happen either way. But this decides whether it's a fight or a release. Can you feel that warmth just from watching? Hold it there. Let it sit for 60 full seconds. The pores are opening right now, even though you can't see it yet. Look at that. Flushed, soft, ready. We're not rushing this part. Everything good that happens in the next section only happens because we were patient here. The extraction climax, extraction 1. The gentle squeeze, we start soft. 2 fingers wrapped, positioned on either side of the pore. Not pressing down, pressing in and toward each other. Gently. Is this one gonna come easy? Let's find out. There it is. Did you hear that? That's weeks of buildup finally finding the door. Look at the color. That grayish tone is oxidized sebum. It wasn't black because of dirt. It turned that color the moment it hit air. Your skin was never dirty. It was just full. Extraction 2, the Comdone loop next tool, the loop. For the ones that are a little deeper, the ones your fingers can't quite reach. We glide, we don't dig. Even pressure, sliding the loop along the surface. Feel that? That's not pain, that's release. There's a difference, and your skin just taught you what it feels like. Second one, cleared. Extraction 3, the stubborn whitehead. This one's been sitting under the surface for days. You can see it, that little white dome, refusing to budge on its own. Your skin works hard for you every single day, filtering, protecting, healing. Sometimes it just needs a little help finishing the job. A tiny, precise touch with the lancet. Just enough to open a path. Ah, there it goes. Can you feel that release in your own skin right now? That resistance you just felt disappear? That's exactly what's sitting under your skin too. Extraction 4, the surprise now, the one nobody expects. Tucked right into the crease by the nose. This is where oil collects the most and gets talked about the least. Look at the size of that. Bigger than anything we've cleared so far. And it was completely invisible until we looked closely. That's the thing about pores. The ones you can't see are usually working the hardest. Take a second. Let that satisfaction settle. Every extraction leaves a tiny temporary opening. This is where most routines go wrong. They stop here. We don't. That clay isn't just sitting there. It's pulling out anything that's left and calming everything that was just worked on. Can you feel that cooling sensation, even just from watching? While that sets, let's talk toner, patting, never rubbing. This step is about restoring your skin's natural pH after all that cleansing, bringing it back to a slightly acidic, balanced state where it can actually start healing. Look at that skin underneath. Calm, even. No redness left behind. Last step, the serum. Warmed between the fingers first, never applied cold, then pressed, not rubbed, into the skin. Watch how fast that disappears. That's a sign the skin was actually ready to receive it, not just sitting on the surface. The Reveal and Closure look at this side by side, the pores that were once visible from a distance, gone. The dullness, replaced with actual light bouncing off the skin, the redness, settled. Your skin can breathe now. Every single thing you just watched happen on this face, it's happening under your skin right now, whether you can see it or not. If you felt that release in your own skin while watching this, hit that like button. It tells YouTube to bring more people this exact relaxation.